Okay, so let me open this package up. Now, this time I ordered this wig in a different color, other than the 1B that I originally tried her on in. And this time I got Latisha in a Flamboyage chocolate color. So that should be very, very interesting. Let's take a look at her out of the pack. Ooh. Okay, I'm opening this with you guys. So you're going to get my organic first impression. This color. As we talked about before, Miss Latisha is a yaki. As we discussed in our first video, Miss Latisha is a nice, gorgeous, yaki textured, yaki straight textured wig. This is the HD lace from the company, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the lace that I was telling you about. And without me even putting my hand up to the camera too close, like, this is pretty sheer. This is very thin. I love the knots. They are much bigger knots, which means you get a nicer blend on your hairline. The bigger the knots are on your lace. This, of course, comes with a comb in the back, two, usual combs on the side and the front of the hair. And then, of course, for those of us who need a little extra security, especially when it's windy outside, there are adjustable straps in the back. I thought I was going to see a elastic band in here, but I don't. So it all depends, I guess, which wig you pick up. Some of them come with elastic bands, some of them don't. But what I will say is I'm not too concerned about that, because the adjustable straps and how blendable the lace is usually just enough for me, whether I want to gel my wig down, leave it completely glueless, or I want to use glue. But today I will be using glue, because this girl is just one girl that I cannot wear for just one day. So let's give her a try. So I cut the lace. I'm running so late, so I just figured I would kind of wrap myself up while I got dressed to go. But let's see how this turned out together. Ooh. Girl, where? Okay, I am not mad. Let me just run my comb through this. This is a heat safe wig, thankfully, but yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Oh. Okay, so it's safe to say I'm feeling her. I mean, I'm not surprised though. So yeah, for anybody that watched the first Latisha video and saw how I reacted to that one, if you didn't go out and buy a Latisha wig then, come on, bro. I don't even know what to tell you. I don't even know what to tell you. Now, if I wasn't in a rush to get somewhere right now, you know that I would probably play around and just do some updos and ponytails and probably throw some braids in it. But you know what? It's all good, because you know how this usually goes. I give you a couple angles, you comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think of this wig. And of course, don't forget to hit that big red button, okay? And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you, as always, so much for clicking play, and I will see you same place next time. Peace out.